Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And I think having a leather jacket is a must-have staple for any wardrobe.
This jacket from Bellivera is a faux leather, but you would never know it. It is so buttery soft and it is the most comfortable jacket that I own. I love this motorcycle look that it has to it with all of this detailing. And I really appreciate how smooth all of these zippers are. They zip and unzip so easily. They really make it easy to be able to quick zip and put your hands in your pockets to keep them nice and warm. I really love all of the detailing on this jacket, and I think it is absolutely perfect to go with any outfit. I've worn it for a night out in the city, and it's great to just throw on with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt to just really up your look. And you can even wear this super dressy with a dress and heels. I love everything about it, and it is actually super warm as well. And I love that it is just a faux leather, so it's so easy to take care of, and it's going to be super durable and last for a really, really long time.
So if you've been looking for the perfect leather jacket, you should get this one. You will want to wear it every single day, and that is my point of view.